What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to delete your Rednote account. Now once you're inside the app guys, simply click the three lines in the upper left hand side and click on settings there. Now you want to tap on your account security at the top, then to look at the bottom you have account cancellation, tap on that. Now once the account cancellation pops up, you will see that you have your phone number there, and in order to go ahead and delete this or move on to the next step, you want to either go ahead and send the verification code to your phone, and you want to also go ahead and enter that verification code. So let me go ahead and tap on that highlighted red Chinese word in there that simply means to send verification code. And once you tap on that, it's going to send the verification code to your phone, and you will see that in a moment that you should receive a code. Now once you go ahead and tap send the verification code to your phone, you will have the options that you will see that it sends the verification code. You can copy that, and then from here, you want to enter that verification code here and simple tap on done. Now you will see once you enter that, the next step button, which is that red button on the bottom, will appear. Simple tap on that, and you will see that it takes you over to this next page here, where at the bottom you will see the options that says that you need to accept terms, and at the bottom you want to tap to accept that terms here, and as you can see I accept the terms, and then you want to move on to the next step. Now the next step here, it basically gives you some options guys, and these are basically telling you that you need to select the reasons why you want to cancel your account, right? So you can say whatever you want, right? I'm going to go ahead and type for example that I can say one of these options, right? You tap on that option, whichever one you please, and at the bottom you will have the option that says confirm logout. So you tap on that, and you will have a next pop-up that appear. One is cancelled, to the left side it's cancelled, and to the right side is basically to confirm. You tap on the confirm, and you will see that it logs you out. Guys, that's it. And your account is basically deleted. So if you're looking for how to delete your Rednote account, these are the steps that you need to follow. And yeah, if you're struggling guys, all you have to do is just, if you have a second phone, you can easily take your second phone, ensure that you open up the Google Translate, and you can easily translate the app. Put your phone over the phone. The first time I did this, I take my second phone and I put it over that phone, and I have the translation with the camera open so that it can auto translate those different Chinese words for me. But that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and if you do, give this video a like. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.